In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Shopify to your Stape.io server. This setup helps you manage your server-side Google Tag Manager container more efficiently and improves tracking accuracy for your store. Let's get started. First, log in to your Stape.io account and create a new server GTM container. Paste your server GTM container configuration from Google Tag Manager, choose a server location close to your audience, and select a plan. If you're just starting out, the free plan works well for testing. Next, head to your Shopify admin and open the App Store. Search for and install the Stape Server GTM app. Once installed, open the app settings and enter your web GTM container ID, which is your client-side GTM container. After that, add your tagging server URL or custom domain if you have one. This helps with first-party tracking and improves resistance to ad blockers. Then enable the option to add e-commerce data layer events, so Shopify events like add to cart, checkout, and purchase are sent automatically. If your plan supports extra features like custom loader or cookie keeper, you can enable those for better cookie lifespan and more reliable data. Finally, if you want to track backend events such as orders or refunds, go to the webhooks section inside the Stape app in Shopify. Enable the events you need and make sure the destination URL points to your Stape server container. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to your Stape.io server, giving you cleaner data and more powerful tracking.